In this next section, we're going to take and we're going to code our dictionary activity. And this is going to be very similar. If you remember, go ahead and grab this section of code here while I'm talking. Okay, section right there. To that Spanish dictionary application we made quite some time ago. Go ahead and copy that section of code. We're going to paste that code right there at the very top. Okay, for global variables, go ahead and click on list. Alt-Enter, import class, same thing for list view, and array adapter right there, okay? Wonderful. In this case, we're actually going to take and, let's see, grab this code right here. We're going to take and receive that as passed with our intent. Go ahead and copy that code. And we're going to paste that code right here. Control-V it right there. Alt-Enter on array list, yep, and our collections right there. If you remember back in our, where's our switchboard here, okay? We actually passed that information as put extras, didn't we? Okay, so in this case, rather than looking back at our database, all we have to do is just grab that information that was sent right here, okay? Our terms and our definitions, we're gonna fit those into these lists up here, okay? And we create an extra copy of it and sort it, and those are what we populate our list array with here, okay? Our list view. And go back and grab another piece of code here. This is actually a listener now that's going to react when someone touches a line on that list view, isn't it? So we're going to paste that code right there. And once again, our adapter view here, like that. It gets a little scary sometimes when you paste this in and you see all these errors, but no problem, okay? Once again, what we do is we create a listener, okay? Right here, we create a listener for that list view, okay? And then we say, okay, if I click on something like that, get the word out of there, search through terms in whichever index of that term it is, the definition is the corresponding definition. So go ahead and make a toast of that. You can go ahead and run it now, okay? Every time you click something, one of those lines in that list view, what's going to happen is it's going to show up with a toast of the term and the definition. Once you're doing that, we got one more thing we got to do here. We want to code that search right here, this search little tool up there. It's going to show up in our menu. Copy that, okay? And we're going to take and we're going to paste that right here, right by your inflator here, okay? We can't do it after the return. We have to do it just before that, right there, okay? And once again, we got search view, Alt-Enter, yep. And then that fixes all of that, okay? Go ahead and try it right now, and your little search menu item should work.